5 online business ideas you can start in 2025 to earn big. Are you stuck in a low-paying job while others your age are earning millions online? The issue isn't with you, but with the temporary solutions provided by so-called gurus. If you truly want to make real money, you don't need just an online job. You need a business that can generate millions in revenue. Here are 5 powerful online business ideas you can start as a beginner with low competition and huge growth potential in 2025. 1. Influencer marketing. As content creators grow daily, the demand for influencer marketing managers is skyrocketing. Your role? Act as a mediator between brands and influencers, negotiating deals and securing sponsorships. How you earn? Charge 15 to 25% commission per deal. Example, if an influencer earns $20,000 per month from sponsorships, you can make up to $4,000 monthly just from one client. Second, SaaS, software as a service. SaaS products solve specific problems through software. Platforms like Shopify help build online stores, and Zoom enables virtual meetings. Good news, you don't need coding skills. Use tools like Bubble.io to build your software. How you earn? Charge a monthly subscription fee. If 1,000 customers pay $5 a month, that's $5,000 per month. Third, drop servicing. A simpler version of dropshipping, but instead of products, you sell services. How it works. Secure a client for a task, e.g. video editing, at $100. Outsource it to a freelancer for $50. You keep $50 profit. Pro tip, start with one service, like video editing, copywriting, or scripting, and master your sales pitch. Fourth, website building. Every business needs a website, but not everyone knows how to make one. With platforms like Odoo, you can easily design and sell websites. How you earn? Charge $200 to $500 per website. Offer maintenance packages for recurring income. Example, if you build 10 websites in a month, you can earn $2,000 to $5,000. 5. Print on demand, POD. Design custom t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories and sell them without managing inventory or shipping. How it works? Create a design, upload it on a Shopify store, link it with a POD platform like Printful, and let them handle printing and delivery. Key to success: focus on trending designs and targeted marketing. Ready to take action? These 5 online business models aren't just ideas. They are proven opportunities with high earning potential in 2025. Whether you start with influencer marketing, SaaS, drop servicing, website building, or print on demand, the key is to take action now. Start your online business today and secure your financial future.